In this video, you will learn how to use credits on CNFans. Earn credits by shipping calls. Credits are awarded after you package and delivery and sign for. Simply, shipping items does not immediately earn you credits, they are credited once the delivery is confirmed. Access the credit page. Log into your CNFans account and navigate to the credit section to view your balance. Redeem credits for products. Visit the CNFans website to browse products available for your credit redemption. Select an item and click on the redeem product, then copy the provided code. After that, paste the code into the redemption field on CNFans credit page. Wait for a redemption event. Redemption opportunities are announced during special events. It's advised to follow CNFans on social media or join their Discord server to stay informed about upcoming redemption periods. Note on shipping fees. Currently, CNFans does not allow you to use credit to pay for shipping fees. You will need to cover this cost separately. Now you know how to use credits on CNFans. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.